FY16, we sustained an 89 to 90% save rate, which is pretty good. We're really proud of that. Adoptions nearly 1,000, and our transfers to other organizations are even higher. Our return to owner, which means if a stray comes in, we're getting them back to their owner successfully, almost 650. And we have a few hundred animals in our foster program, and we're going to keep expanding that. Overall, it's a pretty good year, but I know we can do a lot better.
We have a lot of reasons to be optimistic. Good news. Over the past 7 years, I've seen positive changes in Manatee County. Back then, a dog or cat that was brought in had about a 50-50 chance of surviving their stay. Today, that rate, as Sarah said, is about 90%, so that's a huge improvement.